But it is good to see smiling faces. These days, you as such don't get to see faces. Half the people cover their half the face. So, it looks like the whole country has turned into a country of ghosts. I think at home also now we'll start wearing masks and everything. It becomes such a thing. Anyways. Okay. So the topic is related to nature and nurture. So let's try to understand, discuss both views and give your opinion. Now, this is the topic. See, you have to showcase your vocabulary. There are mixed views about the belief that some people are born with particular talents and others who learn the skills to become a successful individual. This is a long sentence at the beginning. Let's make it short, right? You should
Sir,
start
can you
your essay.
share your screen as well so
Oh,
that we
so
can also see?
sorry. I thought I have already shared it. See, this
No,
is
sir.
what is the effect of the ghost. I start thinking something which I don't do. So, yeah. So, can you see it now?
It's visible, sir.
Very good. So let's write a your first line should be short and punchy. Punchy. I'll write it here. This one is better. Okay.
Is it like we should use like punchline, sir?
First line should be short and punchy. Like, for example, what you can say is nature versus the debate over nature versus nurture is an ongoing one, is not yet settled. Isn't it a beautiful statement? The debate over nature versus nurture is not yet settled. 5 words and the sentence finishes. So it is always good to start with a very punchy introduction. All right. And then you can write what you want to write. While some people say that sportsmen, that talented individuals are born, have some inborn talent. Others say that training and guidance and mentoring, that anyone can learn anything through training and practice. Isn't it very punchy kind of introduction? And it's rhyming, isn't it? Read it once. Raghavi, please read what I wrote. The debate over nature versus nurture. This one. Just read it.
The debate over nature versus nurture is not yet settled. While some people say that talented individuals or have.
Oh, sorry.
Or have. Okay. Individuals have some inborn
are born with
some inborn talents.
Some inborn let's use some other word. Talented individuals are born with some special gifts.
Others says that anyone can learn anything through training and practice.
Others say that. See, reading aloud has got such an advantage. You get to understand all the mistakes you commit. So I wrote others says. It should have been others say that anyone can learn anything through training and practice. Does this sound good? Like an intro?
Yes.
What is our agenda? Let us see. I have a cousin who had to begin with But what is she saying? There are mixed views about the belief that some people are born with particular Look at it. It's the whole jungle of words. Yeah. although there are some children who are born prodigies, there are others who are these skills to become. This essay will discuss both sides of coin, but would argue in favor of learning certain skills to have successful career. Who is asking you to develop career? The point is, I mean, see, sometimes when we think too much, we deviate from the subject. What is the topic? However, it is sometimes claimed that child can be taught to become a good sports person or musician. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Okay, so this and give your opinion. So your opinion can be a middle path also, right? So you can say this essay will discuss both perspectives and argue that. What do you want to say? Now this is tricky because you need to be very clear of what you want to say. So what do you want to say, Raghavi, about this subject?
I didn't get the question completely, so I don't know which side to take.
Okay. It is generally believed that some people are born with certain talents, for instance, for sport or music, and others are not. However, it is sometimes claimed that any child can be taught to become a good sports person or musician. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Well, I don't think anyone can be trained to become a sports person or musician. Do you think so? If I were given a lot of training about cricket, I would not have become a Sachin Tendulkar because I didn't have that talent. Or if I were given a lot of coaching about singing, I would not have become a Kishore Kumar.
Why not?
Because my voice, come on. And I could have become like I can be the best IELTS teacher, but I cannot be equally good singer, right? Let's be fair, isn't it?
No, I
But
think
sir,
with the training you can excel in anything. So
But if you
I
don't
would
have a
take that.
voice of that sort, then how will you do?
By practice, it will
Can I change my voice?
it will
So training and
sir,
development.
it's a debatable basically. If you practice and if you know about the technicalities, then you can speak easily, and even you can sing easily.
Is it so? I mean, is it about technicality or some melodious voice? Like, for example, if you talk about
Melodious voice is fine, but if you don't know about the rags, and if you are very much about the rags, how to connect them, then you're able to sing it as well.
no, but then even if I know ragas, like every pandit is not uh, an accomplished guru. Every marriage person. Have you seen those pandits whom you call for marriage? They know all the mantras, but are they like realized people? Knowing technicalities is not enough, isn't it?
Okay.
so it
Otherwise,
is
everybody who practices would become a Sachin Tendulkar. No, there is something. I mean, I'm not saying, I'm not undermining the importance of practice, but then at the same time, there is something called as inborn talent also. You cannot ignore it altogether. Like, why there is only one Lata Mangeshkar? You tell me, no? Are all the people so
you mean dumb.
dumb or so, what do you call, not willing to work hard? What are they called as? Lazy.
Lazy, not doing any hard
Lazy
work
person.
to reach that level or something.
Yeah, it's not about being lazy. There is
Okay.
something special about Lata Mangeshkar, right? However, I'm trying to sing for so many days and I'm practicing one song. But when I listen to my own voice, all the mosquitoes also run away.
So this is a better way to avoid mosquitoes.
Yeah, but then not to impress people with my voice, right?
But here
So,
it is said as we should discuss both the views, no? So we can give
yeah,
our
so
opinion both the topics.
yeah, you can discuss both the views, but then the most important is what is your opinion at the end? What would you like to say?
We should take one side or it should be.
Yeah, you can take both the sides also.
That's where I'm
While
getting
some people say
confused, sir.
that talented, so you can take a middle path. Okay, let's write an essay on this. So first let's discuss what we will write. So I can say that in certain fields like sports and in fields such as, so I can say that in fields such as sports and music, inborn talent is is indispensable to excel in fields. This is my agenda. This is what I want to say at the end. Inborn talent is indispensable. Hard work can further refine the skills, but it cannot be a substitute for inborn talent. What do you say? I mean, see, I might be wrong. How does it matter? You might have a different opinion. All that matters is you have to write something in a very convincing fashion and you have to showcase your English. Who cares whether this is right or wrong?
Yeah.
Isn't it? But if I'm getting points related to it, that, and if I can fetch some examples that, see, these guys were talented and they worked hard, and with the help of that hard work they got what
Rajiv, in this we can also say like it's important for children to
is important for children to what? To excel in fields. Yeah, you were saying something. I think the network is still not helping Mohit. So, it is very important to decide what you want to say before you really decide upon that topic and you start delving into it. It's important to be clear of what you really want to speak about. So let's just quickly write this. The debate over nature versus natural, while some people say that individuals are born with some special gifts, others say that anyone can learn anything through training and practice. This essay will discuss both perspectives and argue in favor of, and argue that, now you don't have to say argue that inborn talent is indispensable indispensable dispen, dispensable indispensable to excel in the field of music or sports. Now now I'm very clear of what I want to say. So I can argue both the points and I can very easily prove it. Why I chose this? See, I used to believe and I used to say that कोई कुछ भी कर सकता है ना? जो सरदारों का जोश होता है, तो मेरे अंदर जो सरदार है, the Sardar inside me tells me that I can do anything. I mean, don't take it like Sardar thing, but then Joshila person inside me tells me that I can do anything. But the fact of the matter is, if I try to sing and if I practice for my whole life, I don't know whether can be as good as Kishore Kumar. How many of you really think? Forget about you. Tell about me. Can I become a Kishore Kumar in my life? Or Yesu Das? Or maybe, who is that? Kailash Kher. Kailash Kher. Yeah, Kailash Kher. The ones who
I know only south side.
Yeah, some good singers. I mean,
Yeah. Right. I can
it's
get
very
that.
difficult. Yeah. So this essay, so you should be very realistic while writing about it, and you should be able to just tell the fact in the simplest possible way. Okay. So now you can write about the two parts of it, and you can write it. In fact, I think I would have. So let's write it. चलो इसको इसी को करते हैं जल्दी से. Just you have to give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay, we can do it. Let me share. Okay, so I'll give you a little template about it rather than going about it in a detailed manner. What I can do is, here we go. So I want you to write one paragraph. So let's check it, how she has written. To begin with, let us first discuss about the children who are born with certain talents. There are some talented children who can play instruments like piano, violin, guitar, etc. from a very young age. I have a cousin who was born with the talent of playing guitar from the age of 5 without any coaching. Similarly, we have some sports persons who are excellent players from their young age. So it would not be wrong to say that some of the children, there is no need to say some of the children. You can simply say some children, isn't it? Why do you say some of the children, right? You can say some children. Some children itself is enough. Why should you say some of the children, isn't it? So this redundancy is not required. Some children is fine because extra words are difficult to understand. Okay, now let's look at this portion. On the other hand, there are many children who learn music and sports as per their interests. For instance, schools and colleges, children play many sports which they like and try to excel their gaming skills. Gaming skills? It's not gaming skills, right? Sports skills would be a better word, not gaming skills. Sports skills. In essence, most of the students learn certain sports with time. Furthermore, not every musician is a born prodigy. For example, many children study to play musical instruments, but they are saying singers, right? Okay, excel in music. Yeah, that's right. Because they want to make career in music. In my final analysis, given that any child can become a successful musician or sports person, I tend to believe that with proper training and guidance, anyone can learn and excel in their choice of field. Choice of field, in their chosen field, isn't it? It should be chosen field. So if I look at this essay, except for some word choice here and there and long usages, I find the whole agenda to be fine. And she's sticking to one point. She's saying that anyone can learn anything. And she has given some examples also around it. So only point where I can deduct marks is grammar. And if I, let's say in grammar, I give, because long usages are there, if I give 6, rest of them definitely are around 8. So this essay should definitely score 7. What do you say?
I felt some repeated words. She has used, she or he, I'm not sure, used the word some in almost like 4 to 5 times in the same paragraph.
Like,
Some talented, some sports person, some children.
yeah. So for that, how much marks would you deduct?
I don't know, sir.
So in grammar, let's say
Respect.
that's what. So I've deducted 6 marks for, I mean, 2 bands for it.
Okay.
For rest of them, I can. So yeah, I'll say 6.66. If the examiner is very stringent, it might go below 7, but then it will not go beyond 7 for sure. This essay can be drafted in a better way. As I told in introduction, we can write it in a very structured manner. Like this is a small and punchy introduction. What she loses upon is those long introductions here and there. So this was it. And yeah, this needs to be taken care of. Anyone else who has written some essay? My agenda is to check the essay and give marks in front of you, so you would know what are the points to be taken care of. Because you have also written some fresh essay.
Yes, sir. I send it to you.
I have.
You have also written. So let's start with Raghavi then.
I'm
Raghavi.
not sure whether we have done that already, sir. I have sent you.
Okay, let's see. This is the one.
No, sir. Back. Long back, not now exactly.
IELTS corrections log. Then assignment.
These are all the assignments which I have rewrote. The other one, maybe earlier.
So they are already evaluated, which means.
Yeah, it
Okay,
should be.
so this is fine. Yeah, but then the point was, how are you evaluated on an essay? Should I give you a fresh topic?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you to write on the same topic today in your own words. Okay, you already know the idea, so half the thing is already solved. I want you to write an essay on this topic and send it to me. This is what I want you to do. Okay, so why don't you do this in another, how much, 40 minutes? Write an essay and send it to me. Let's take it as a mini test, and I want you to write a short essay on this in 40 minutes, and let me see how much you score there.
Okay.
Okay, this would be like a 50-50 test where you already know the agenda, you know a lot of things, but don't take help from anything now. Let me see how much you have learned, and if you
I mean,
go,
help from?
no help from no source. Whatever we
Okay.
have discussed, you just write it on that only. Okay, taking clues from whatever you know. All right, so let's do a little bit of benchmarking with this exercise. I would like to see how you draft your thoughts, how you make your paragraphs, and I'll give marks to you on the same topic. And I will also share one essay on this topic, which would be like, what do you call, standard essay.
Okay.
Okay.
I ask doubts actually now
Yeah,
before I start.
yes.
Discuss both these views and give your opinion in the sense I should take one stand or I get confused with that. Those things.
Okay, so whenever you say this, see this, discuss both views and give your opinion, there are two parts to it. The first is discuss both views, which means
Okay.
you have to, without any bias, discuss both sides. Like some people are born with certain talents, some
So it
people,
should be only positives, advantages of both the sides, or
yeah, advantages of both the sides, like not positives, but supporting arguments for both the sides, that some people are born with, because otherwise it will become very meshy and messy. You would be writing too many things at too many places. So what you can do is just write the supporting arguments with regard to talent, supporting arguments with regard to training, right? So these are the people who are born with talent and they developed it. This is an example of somebody not born with the talent and developed it. And then write your conclusion. Now your conclusion could be one-sided or both-sided, your choice.
Okay.
You can take a middle path, or you can say that, in my opinion, talent is important to accomplish something.
So Rajiv, basically in this essay, we have to write about the positive thing only, right? We don't have to write anything like negative.
Yeah. I mean, see, when I'm thinking about this subject and when I'm asking myself, if I were to write an essay on this, what will I do? So in the first paragraph, I'll tell about some people who are born with certain talents and they accomplish something. And then I can give some examples where some people are not born with some talent. And with the hard work, they could not accomplish something. So I can give a negative example also to prove my point.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, I can project my ideas. If I want to make it go in one direction itself, I can do it this way.
Okay.
This is one choice. I'm just still discussing, so I can change my views, or I can write down two paragraphs where I talk about talent first, hard work first, and then write a small U-turn paragraph where I say that, okay, fine, hard work is good and it can help, but then without talent, all the hard work might not yield the same advantage.
Right.
So I can write one paragraph on talent, one paragraph on hard work, and one paragraph on how hard work helps a person who has already got talent.
Right.
Yeah,
Because
and
I've noticed that it is not written that whether you are agree or not.
yes. You can take any side actually.
Yeah.
And then you can, but then at the end you have to give an opinion. So what is your opinion? And opinion is like, it could be mixed also, that
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you can take any side of your choice. So write an essay on this, and let's see how you come up with these ideas. Even if you do not write a great essay, at least you would be writing one essay, which is more important. But yes, give your best, think about it, try to, yeah, first of all, plan it the way we did yesterday, that you have to plan what you want to write and then you write on that.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So another 40 minutes, finish this, then I'll individually give feedbacks to you. All right. So this
Okay.
is going to be fun. Okay. All the best to you. Bye.